I run to go further.
I run to really challenge myself.
I run for my health.
I run to keep balance in my life.
I run to push the boundaries of what's possible.
More people are running than ever before, with 150 million runners worldwide seeing the physical and mental health benefits that it provides.
We founded RunBuddy to help everyday runners achieve their goals, to improve a 5K time or to achieve a first marathon.
Our vision is to make training easy and fun,
with personalised, fully adaptive training plans that sync with your favourite fitness devices. Improve your motivation by connecting with
like-minded runners in our community, both virtually and at our in-person events.
And achieve more by tracking your progress against your goals.
And get personalised training advice from nutrition to injury management.
After building the engine behind every plan at RunBuddy, we launched back in March 2021 with a PDF-based system.
And to date, we've helped nearly 1,000 runners across 25 different countries.
We've had some great reviews.
And we've seen an amazing response from our growing community.
Our community is at the centre of
what we do. It allows us to learn and engage from our most loyal customers,
to develop our brand and inspire others.
We've recently just launched our mobile app on iOS and Android to enable us to reach a global audience
and expand our business. With this investment, we're going to grow our development team
to be the go-to running app in the market. In the next few months, we're going to focus on moving to a subscription model,
which will allow users to easily move between goals.
Integrate with more of your favourite devices and platforms, such as building out an Apple Watch app
and integrating with Strava.
And finally, building out a community platform where like-minded runners across the world can connect, get support and compete in challenges.
There's never been a better time for us to be building RunBuddy.
We are uniquely able to grow our business in a number of ways.
From partnering with races and professional athletes
to companies looking to improve their employee wellness. And we want you to be a part of our journey, to give you an opportunity to invest and own a part of RunBuddy. Together, we can build something incredible.
So come join our mission.
And let's get the world running.